3,000 subscribers? Yeah, completed it, mate. That's not just my mum making altar counts. That's a legit crowd of people who, for some reason, decided, yeah, I'll watch this guy ramble on about watches without learning absolutely anything along the way. But seriously, thank you. Whether you've been here since the first controversial bit of clickbait or just stumbled in during a late night AliExpress spiral, I appreciate the hell out of all of you. Every sub, every like, every time someone commented, "Are you Ben?" I see you. We're not curing anything here, not solving any world peace, but we are building something. A little corner of the internet where dive watches under £100 get treated like Swiss royalty. And that's beautiful in its own dumb way. So, as most of you know, for this totally arbitrary milestone, I'll be giving away the Addis Dive AD 2070 because 1, you deserve it for sticking around, and 2, something about the YouTube algorithm that someone said I should pay attention to, but I really couldn't care less about. And remember, if you aren't the lucky winner this time, I have more giveaways in the pipeline coming up very soon. So please hit that bell icon for more giveaway goodness. Anyway, less rambling, let's get on with the draw. I'll be using the YouTube random comment picker from pickawinner.co. Let's paste in the giveaway video URL. Good luck, guys. Let's pick a winner in 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, Syntax2600. Please get in touch with me at hello@fullyloomed.com with proof that you are you. A screenshot showing your channel details will be sufficient and include your full name and address, and I'll get the watch shipped out to you as soon as possible. And if you didn't win, don't be disheartened. Another giveaway is just around the corner, so keep checking back. Once again, thank you for being you. Let's keep this going.